Welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to go over my top 5 must-have detailing supplies for any detailer. Now we're here at the Masterson's Car Care factory store in Anaheim, California. Now this place is seriously a candy store for any detailing enthusiast. They have stuff for the pros, the enthusiast detailers, and they have everything from detail spray, microfiber towels, products, accessories, machines, foam cannons, foam guns. I mean, this place has it all. So if you've never been here, I recommend come down. I'll put the link and the address right down here in the description of this video. But right here at the store, they got some of the best detailing supplies in the world. And right here today, I'm gonna go over my top 5 detailing supplies that are must-haves for any detailer. Now, these are products that I believe you gotta have in your arsenal. It's gonna make your detailing so much easier, and it's gonna get those pro results. So if I had to strip down my detailing collection and only have 5 products, I'm gonna make sure that these 5 products are gonna be in there no matter what. So let's go around the shop. Let's start off with my number 5 pick. Let's go check it out. Okay, so my number 5 detailing must-have product for any detailer is gonna be a great microfiber drying towel. Now, if you're using chamois to dry your vehicle or you're using newspaper on the glass, get rid of those products. It's time to step it up to the 21st century with a great microfiber drying towel. Now, there's a lot of different microfiber towels you can use to dry your vehicle. I like a big quality microfiber drying towel because that means you're actually gonna keep your car swirl and scratch free. Believe it or not, 95% of all swirl marks and scratches, all those little scratches on your car that you see when it's in the sun, like check out this picture right here, all those little swirl marks, those actually come from improper washing and drying. So if you're using a beach towel to dry your car, throw it out. Masterson's Car Care is here to help you out, and they got a huge selection of products right here. One of my favorite drying towels is this Blue Blazer drying towel. This is a 24 by 36. I like this towel. This towel can actually absorb a whole gallon of water, believe it or not. So you could use this to dry like 2 to 3 vehicles. It's extra soft, if you guys can see it here on the camera. Extremely soft towel. I really like something like this. There's also bigger options too, like this 52 by 36 inch white Blizzard drying towel. This is really big. Check this out. It's huge, right? This is great for drying SUVs, and it's double-sided. This is also a great option. And there's also more light options. So if you just need a light towel to dry, here's another great option. This is a 36 by 25 big orange drying towel. This is also a great option as well, very light. This is great for like smaller vehicles like motorcycles, Mazda Miatas, Mini Coopers, great towel like this. Now there's also another type of drying towel that you might like if you're used to traditional chamois, and that's gonna be a waffle weave drying towel. This is actually a waffle weave drying towel. I know, look at it, it's crazy. It's got all these waffle textures in there. Maybe we can go ahead and view in right there. Now all those waffle textures actually absorb more water than any other towel. So you put this on the car, and each one of those little squares, little waffle textures, is going to absorb 10 times their weight in water. Crazy, right? This is a great towel. It can dry like 3 SUVs. Now, it doesn't matter what towel you use to dry your vehicle. Just make sure you use a great quality waffle weave microfiber towel. You can always pick these up at the Masterson's Car Care factory store, or hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, this is a must-have. I have a bunch of drying towels because if you're like me and you wash your car on the weekly, you're going to want to make sure you have a couple of these in your arsenal, especially if you do different types of vehicles. Now there's my number 5. Now let's head over to our number 4 pick. So my number 4 must-have detailing supply for any detailer is gonna be a great tire shine. Now I've been to cruise nights and car shows all around California, and I've seen a lot of cars that don't have tire shines on their car at the show. Now it's one of my biggest pet peeves when I see a great car, a Ferrari, a Lambo, a new Corvette, even a Tesla, driving around with no tire shine. It ruins the whole look of the car. You could have the best looking paint in the world, and if you don't have an amazing tire shine on your car, it really ruins the whole vehicle. So if you have brown, nasty tires on your fresh show car, you gotta get a great tire shine. So here at Masterson's Car Care, they have some of my favorite tire shines. They have the tire and trim shine. This is also a great formula, but my favorite is gonna be the spray shine tire and trim protectant. Now, both of these products are incredible tire shines. I like my tire and trim shine when I use it on low profile tires or cars that want a more natural look, but on my car, I love the spray shine tire and trim protectant. Now, the spray shine tire and trim protectant is a high gloss protectant, and it's polymer based with a water-based formula. Now, water-based formulas are better and safer for your rubber, plastic, and vinyl. If you have old tires, tire shine, like you're using that Armor Everything that you found in the garage like 20 or 30 years old, that stuff will crack and age your tires and your plastic. So you need to get rid of that stuff and get some amazing polymer-based formula like our Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. This has UV protectants in it, and it's gonna protect the tire against fading, discoloration, and UV solar rays, and it's gonna last much longer than that old tire shine that you got sitting in the garage. So take your detailing to the 21st century, pick up some Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant, and then over here at the Masterson's factory store, they got these cool waffle pro foam applicator pads. I love these. They got like a hardcore back, so the product doesn't sink in and it always keeps your hands clean. I love having these in my detailing arsenal. They're seriously a must-have because even if you got a car that hasn't been washed in a while, you can always clean the windows and dress up the tires, and your car looks a lot better than if it was just dirty sitting on the street. So go ahead and pick these up. You can pick these up on the website, mastersonswax.com. Also put a link right here so you guys can check out the address, or pop down to this factory store. They got them right here, and they really got everything here. So let's go ahead and check out my number 3 pick for some of my must-have detailing supplies. Let's do it. Woo! So my number 3 must-have detailing supply for any detailer is gonna be a foam cannon or a foam gun. These are some of my favorite detailing products when I'm detailing a car. They make your detailing so much fun and so effective, whether you have a pressure washer and you wanna use a foam cannon, or you got a garden hose and you wanna use a foam gun. Both of these options are incredible. Now you might have seen us use these on the channel. These are those cool devices that you hook up, you fill up with your water and your snow foam, and you get that crazy foam wash on your car. Check out these clips right here. You just put it on your car and spray it all with the foam. It's simply fantastic. It washes a car even sometimes without touching it, and that's one of the coolest things about these tools. Now let's talk about the foam cannon. The foam cannon is what I like to use. The foam cannon is designed to work with a pressure washer. So you hook up your pressure washer right here, and what you do is you fill the whole entire thing with some water, and then you use our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam. You put 2 ounces of the snow foam inside here, you shake it up, and then you connect it to your pressure washer. Now this is our Masterson's Gen 2 professional foam cannon. Comes with a 32-ounce bottle and has our easy spin insert to where it connects so easy to the bottle. Always connects, always spins in, and it won't thread the bottle. Plus, it also has our wide adjustment fan with these slots built in. Now there's a lot of different foam cannons on the market, a lot of cheap ones online that you can get on the flea bay, but if you get our Masterson's Car Care Professional Gen 2 foam cannon, this is true brass construction and this lasts a long time. So I recommend to pick up a quality cannon because it's gonna last for years. And then the trick to using the cannon is you gotta use your Mystic Snow Foam. You don't wanna use that generic bargain store shampoo or auto wash. You wanna use a true snow foam. Now our snow foam is extra luxury thick foam action. So you put this inside your foam cannon, you're gonna get the thickest foam you've ever seen. Now, if you don't have a pressure washer and you wanna get some basic detailing fast and easy with just your garden hose, I recommend pick up one of our foam guns. Now, our foam guns do the same thing as the foam cannon. They spit out water and foam. It's just it's not gonna spit out as much foam as the foam cannon. The foam cannon spits out like shaving cream. You can see from those clips. This one is gonna spit out an easy to use wash solution, and you can actually hold the gun and wash as you do the process. So it's a great thing to do. It's harder to do that with the foam cannon. It's connected to the pressure washer, but the gun is easy to spray and wash at the same time. Great versatile tool. Plus, if you don't have a pressure washer, or you don't want to get out the pressure washer, start it up, get out the extra gas and all the extra accessories, this is a great option to do. You just plug it into the hose and you're good to go. Now these are some of the greatest tools to do when detailing, and you can pick them up on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now let's hop over to the other side of the store and let's talk about my number 2 must-have detailing product for any detailer. Let's go. So my number 2 must-have detailing supply for any detailer is gonna be the clay bar. Now, what is a clay bar? A clay bar is a unique product that takes off the overspray and contamination that's stuck on your vehicle. Now, if you've never heard of this is seriously a must-have for any detailer. And what this does, it picks up all the stuff that's embedded into your paint. So if you've ever washed your car and then after you wash the car, it still feels rough, that's because there's things like brake dust, overspray, contamination, rail dust, industrial pollution, tree sap. All this stuff sticks on the car and normal washing just won't take it off. So if you're in an industrial area or if your car sits outside a lot, you're gonna wanna use the clay bar. Now the clay bar is super easy to use. It's a big bar Ours we have here comes in a nice case, and it comes with our blue light clay bar. This is a great option to be able to use to detail any type of vehicle. You simply use a detail spray, which they have right here at the Masterson's Car Care factory store. You can pick this up on the website as well, mastersonswax.com. You apply this to the paint and you use the clay bar to scrub the vehicle. If you want to learn more about how to use this, go ahead and check out the video at the top. I'll put a video right at the top right corner and you can check that out. Go ahead and click it and that'll give you a full instructions on how to clay bar your vehicle. You can clay bar paintwork, glass, wheels, metal, exhaust tips, motorcycles, RVs, pretty much everything on the outside of the car that's clear, shiny, or painted, you can clay bar. And this is what the professionals do to really make your car feel smooth as glass. So if you're ever taking your car to a professional, paid hundreds of dollars to come out and then you feel that smooth as glass feeling, that's what they did. They used the clay bar. Now there's a lot of different types of clay bars out here. There's a yellow clay bar right here that we sell. This yellow clay bar is a medium clay bar. And as you can see, as I pull it out of the case, it's very sticky. This thing sticks to almost everything. So if it falls on the ground, you have to throw it away. So that's why we have a little case for it. Now the yellow is a nice medium clay bar. This one's very stretchy. My favorite is the blue clay bar. I highly recommend the blue clay bar. The blue clay bar is a light medium clay bar. And this is great for doing any type of detailing and it won't harm the vehicle. So if you're worried that the clay bar might harm your vehicle, might scratch the vehicle, don't worry. This will never scratch or harm the vehicle if you use it with our detail spray and our professional blue clay bar. Now this also comes in a case. That's what's really cool. If you're a pro and you need to do some more hardcore detailing, they also make a purple clay bar. Now the purple clay bar is a little bit more hardcore and it's a lot more abrasive. So unless you're detailing a car that's like 15 or 20 years old, you don't need the purple clay bar. I would recommend to just use the blue clay bar. Now remember, you can't use the clay bar with soap and water. It will actually degrade the clay bar. So if you read those myths on the internet, on those forums with people that don't know what they're talking about, and they say, go ahead and use soap and water, that's gonna ruin your clay bar. So I always recommend to use our detail spray. It's gonna condition the clay bar and create maximum lubrication. Now you're gonna use a lot of detail spray when you use the clay bar, especially if you got one of those big Escalade cars. You're gonna wanna use a big gallon of detail spray. Now they sell this in a gallon right here at the factory store, so you can use this over and over again on all your jobs. Plus, when you buy the gallon, you save some money and you get some great savings when you're doing your detailing. Now take your detailing to the next level with a clay bar. If you've never used it, it's really easy to use. Remember, check out our video that we posted at the top on how to use the clay bar properly and get the best results when you're detailing a vehicle. Now we're almost to the end. Let's go ahead and find out my #1 detailing must-have product for any detailer. Let's go check it out. So my #1 must-have detailing product for any detailer is, well, let's find out. Let's get a drum roll, please. It's gonna be our waterless wash and shine. Now, if you're into detailing and you are on the go or you like detailing any type of vehicle, you're gonna wanna pick up some waterless wash. Now, my favorite is our Masterson's Car Care waterless wash and shine. There's a lot of waterless washes on the market, but out of all the ones I've tried, this one is truly the best. It's in a spray bottle, so you can actually take this anywhere you go. You can put this in your trunk, inside your car, in your motorcycle bag. You can keep this in your garage, and you can wash your car anywhere, anytime. You don't know how many times I've traveled places and they don't allow me to wash my car with water, whether I'm in a condo, an apartment, I'm in a hotel. Some people want their cars detailed indoors where you can't get a hose, you can't wash your car indoors. What if you want to wash a museum car? How do you do that? Well, you use waterless wash, and that's why I'll always have a bottle of Masterson's waterless wash in my arsenal. This thing is seriously amazing. You spray it on the car and it pulls off the dirt without scratching. Plus, this is an eco-friendly product, so when I'm using this product, I know I'm saving the environment and saving water. Every year, millions of gallons of water is wasted when we're washing cars, whether it's left from hoses running or you're not using proper water maintenance products like a hose nozzle or water collection like a water mat. All of that water goes into rivers and oceans and we lose millions of gallons of water every year. But if you switch to a waterless wash solution, you're gonna save millions of gallons of water and you're gonna prevent runoff into the oceans and lakes and water streams. That's why I love using this product. It makes makes me feel great when I detail because I know I'm saving the environment. Plus, it gives me those results that I want to have. One thing I really like using this product for is washing motorcycles. So if you like having a motorcycle, you like riding your bike on the weekends, but you want to keep that clean bike, this is a great way to do it because if I wash my bike with Waterless Wash and Shine, I don't have to worry about re-lubing my chain just after a quick wash. With other waterless washes or shampoos, you have to rinse the vehicle down, the motorcycle, and then you have to re-lube the chain. This saves me a lot of time because I can be on a cool motorcycle trip traveling around the world or the long way around, and I don't have to use a water to wash my bike. I can just use this and get great results. So now you guys have my top 5 must-have detailing products for any detailer. If you guys want to come down and check out these products, hop over to our Masterson's Car Care factory store in Anaheim, California, or we have all these products online on our website at mastersonswax.com. We'll put a link right here in the video so you guys can hop over there, get all the best detailing products for your car, guaranteed at the best prices. Whether you have a car, a truck, a motorcycle, an RV, or even a spacecraft at Area 51, it doesn't matter. We got the best products to keep your car looking great. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm gonna go back and check out some more stuff in the shop. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.